Are you looking to boost the performance of your graphics card? Have you been searching for software that allows you to maximize its potential while saving precious power? Well, look no further. Introducing Nvidia Power Management, NVPMEM, a third-party tool created by independent developer Simon Maser. NVPMEM is the answer to all your graphics card optimization needs. NVPMEM taps into Nvidia's System Management Interface, SMI, a command line tool used to manage and monitor GeForce, Quadro, Tesla, and Grid products. Essentially, this means NVPMEM provides an intuitive and easy-to-use graphical user interface for users that are unfamiliar with a command line interface. The GeForce control panel may offer primitive power management and frame rate limiting options, but these don't compare to the added functionality of NVPMEM. This specialized utility offers users the chance to create individual power profiles, limit power consumption on a per application basis, and control the graphics card's memory. NVPMEM also comes with a basic performance state monitor and the Power Group Limit Management (PGLM) feature. The PGLM feature allows users to set a power limit for up to 3 different groups. Each group can have its own set of applications and power limits that trigger whenever certain applications are running. But wait! There's more! Even though the software utilizes Nvidia's System Management Interface, it does not unlock any power limits on the hardware itself. NVPMEM merely allows users to customize the available settings and tweak their graphics card to reach maximum performance without consuming an excessive amount of power. However, keep in mind that any changes you make to your graphics card settings with NVPMEM are only temporarily stored. This means that the settings will reset after a system restart. Thus, you will need to reapply the settings after each restart. Finally, please be aware that some antivirus software may flag NVPMEM as malicious. Although this may be rectified in the future, current versions of the tool are not compatible with all antiviruses. With all this in mind, NVPMEM is a great way to take control of your graphics card and its power use. So, if you're looking to max out the performance of your graphics card